Welcome to the section Commenting. In this section, we will set up our comment model and migration file, then run our migration. We will move on to building our comment component. Then we'll build out our controller to create, reply, and delete comments. And lastly, we'll add our new component to our video page. Let's get started getting our comment model and migration file set up. In this video, we are going to define our fields for our migration file and run our migration. Then we'll set up our relationships in our video model. Let's get started by generating our comment model and migration file. Now we can go ahead and open our migration file. And we'll go ahead and add our fields. Our comments table is filled with a user ID so that a comment can belong to a user. So the parent ID will be set if the comment is a reply. We also have a video ID so that a comment belongs to a video, as well as a body to store the comment's body. We also set up form constraints on user ID and parent ID to make sure that if the user is ever deleted, that the comment is also deleted, or if the parent comment is deleted, that the reply is deleted as well. Now we can go ahead and work on our model file. So we'll open up our comment model and we'll add our protected fillables array. We will make sure that body can be saved, user ID, and the parent ID. Next, we'll define our video relationship. And the comment belongs to a video. We also want to make sure that our user relationship is set up as well. As I stated before, since we're using this comment table to store replies as well, we'll make sure that we set up a replies relationship. This relationship can have many replies. We tell our model to use the comment model and to use the parent ID. This way we can use the same comment table to attach our replies and make sure that the anchor point is using the parent ID. Next, we'll need to define a scope so that we can order our comments latest first. Our last method will give a human readable version of our created at field. We'll get this by using our created at field, and since created at is an instance of Carbon, which is a PHP package that allows us to modify and manage our dates, we can use one of Carbon's helper functions, and we can use one of Carbon's helper functions, diff for humans, to give us a nice, clean, human readable version of our created at timestamp. Then we'll go ahead and make sure that it's automatically added when we fetch a comment using the protected appends array. Now we need to shift over to our video model. And while we're here, we'll go ahead and add our comment relationship. And a video can have many comments. We'll also add a helper function to check if a video allows comment. And we'll just make sure that it returns a Boolean. Now we're all set to move on.